In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Gmail emails to Google Drive, a quick and easy way to keep your important emails safely stored in the cloud. Whether you're looking to organize your digital life or need to access important correspondence from anywhere, saving your emails to Google Drive can be very handy. Let's dive right in. First, let's head over to your Gmail inbox. Open your browser and navigate to Gmail. Once there, you'll want to select the specific email you wish to save. It could be a work email or a personal note you're keen on archiving. Locate the message in your list. Clicking on it will open up the full view of your email. Once you've opened the email, you'll see several icons at the top of the screen. Look for the print icon. It often resembles a small printer. Go ahead and click this print icon. This action helps us in creating a PDF version of your email, which is the format we'll be saving to your Google Drive. Next, you'll be taken to a print window. Here you'll want to change the destination. Make sure you select Save as PDF as the destination for your email. Take a moment to double check that the Save as PDF is chosen. Once confirmed, click the Save button. This action prompts your browser to ask for a location on your computer where you'd like to store the PDF. Choose a location that's easy to remember and hit Save. Now that we have your email saved as a PDF, the next step is to upload this PDF file to your Google Drive. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to Google Drive. You'll be greeted with the main dashboard of your drive, which shows all your saved files and folders. Look towards the top left corner for the New button and give that a click. This action will present you with several options. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Your File Explorer will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer files. Remember the location where you saved the PDF of your email? Navigate to that location, select the PDF file you just saved and click Open. Google Drive will begin the upload process, which typically takes just a few moments depending on the size of your file and your internet speed. You'll see a confirmation message once the upload is complete, letting you know that your email is now safely tucked away in Google Drive. And there you have it, now you know how to save Gmail emails to Google Drive. This simple process ensures your important messages are both safe and accessible from anywhere at any time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more handy tips and tricks.